And with the morning sun cresting over the beautiful God Bless America sign, means we made it, guys. Today is officially the day that we load up the BBB build and head off to Sema. But first things first, before we can take this thing, it has been sitting in a shop for about 6 months and it has amassed quite the dust collection. So Josh is on his way over. He's gonna give it its pre-Sema detail. Then once we get to Las Vegas, we've got another detailer set up over there that is going to give it its other pre-Sema detail. Make sure he gets off all the bugs, whatever we collect along the road trip on the way. But first things first, we need to move Chris's truck here because, well, this thing pretty much lives here where he lives. There's a bunch of trees that drop sap on the paint, and obviously you don't want that. So we pretty much inherited a truck over here. But hey, you guys can have a little gas versus diesel cold start comparison now. I know it's not that cold, but I mean, you can see by the amount of dew, it's not warm. I must say, even though Chris's truck has a pretty quiet exhaust when you're just kind of at cruising speed, it sounds really good starting up. And in case you guys are wondering where Chris is today, Chris is out working for it. All right, now that we got the gas truck out of the way, let's get to the real fun. I actually haven't seen the BBB build in the daytime, or at least not in daylight, in months. Obviously not finished, but it's been a long time. So I am gonna enjoy looking over this thing right now. How I have missed that sound in my life. I'm so excited, you guys. You guys have no clue how long it's been. Oh yeah, let's climb on up in here now. I know in the last video, I kind of gave like a brief overview of the center console lid and all that Road Wire Interiors did, but this thing turned out beautifully and it's actually really, really nice, really comfortable. As you can see, I mean, there's a lot of padding in there and it makes it really nice to rest your arm on. And I must say, driving this thing home yesterday, you know, I wasn't sure how it was going to be. I haven't driven on the 24s with the 40 Markma tires. You know, I haven't driven it since we've been able to perfectly align it. I haven't driven it with a sway bar, and I must say this thing absolutely drives as good, if not better, than I had hoped and planned for. You guys aren't gonna believe this. I mean, you probably will the way this build's been going, but I looked over at my mirror and I noticed that there was this little screw was kind of behind the glass right there. And I was like, oh, I should probably pop that glass off and put that screw in, and well, yeah, that's bad timing. Now, the only good thing is I have a solution to this sitting right back over there. And I hate to do this to you, Chris, but I gotta borrow your mirror, buddy. Hopefully I can get Chris's off without breaking it. I've already ordered the replacement, so it'll come when I'm gone so Chris can put on the replacement on his truck, but I don't have a choice. I can't roll into Sema looking like this. Let's hope Chris's comes off easier than mine did. Oh, I hate doing this. All right. Well, we got it off. So Chris's little replacement will be here. Uh-oh. I just heard a train horn coming down the hill here. I think that means our good buddy Josh is here. Oh, hey, buddy. That is a nice looking...
Good morning, YouTube. What Ryan hasn't told you is I'm taking over his YouTube page today because he's got me here at 6:30 in the morning to deal with this truck right here.
Hold on,
yeah, that's right. Nobody wants to deal with this truck at 6:30 in the morning. Ryan better check his watch. I'm taking over YouTube today, so if you guys want to stay tuned, we're going to be fixing this truck up.
Hey, there's a smudge on your tailgate, buddy. What's this smudge over here?
This truck was signed by Luke Combs after we took him fishing one day.
All right, the new one's on. We're good to go. Josh brought his buddies to help. Hey guys. What's up, man? Appreciate the help.
No problem.
All right, so I just gotta warn you guys. You know, the truck's disgustingly dirty, and then we've got brand new paint, brand new paint, brand new paint, and brand new paint in the back over there.
Why don't you get after it?
Don't wash the paint off, please. It's my first time seeing it out in the daylight. Looks killer.
Yeah, it does.
So since I feel bad that Chris isn't here and he's not gonna know that I borrowed his mirror, I'm gonna write him a little. Oh, I'm sure it doesn't work. All right. I'm gonna write him a little note. Sorry, buddy. Dmaxryno. See how long before I get a phone call from Chris. Alright, so it really wouldn't be Sema if we weren't doing some like last second things. Obviously Speedpole's been a huge supporter of all of my trucks, so we got to get the Speedpole installed. We've also got a million other things to do.
I took those highlighter if you want to I appreciate the call, then I'll give you.
That's attention to detail, buddy. All right, well, this thing is all nice and freshly detailed. That road wire interior is looking absolutely beautiful. Josh always going the extra step, leaving a nice microfiber towel on the step so you don't leave footprints. Got the speed poles installed. Now, obviously, these are just the lower halves of the poles. The poles have the other half that screws on and that attaches your flag, but we're not gonna be running flags on the way to Vegas, so they have a nice, sweet tip that screws in and just gives it a finish off look when it's sitting in the truck.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
You don't want to film it till it gets washed?
So not only is Josh nice enough to detail my truck, he's making sure the tow truck's taken care of right. Anyways, we got to get this clean because we got to put the company name, DOT number, all that shit on the side.
So if you guys want to know how I bribe Andre to always haul my truck for me, it's right there. I got him hooked on Bang.
Yeah.
As long as I buy him a case, he's good. So yesterday I was paying somebody to do this to my truck. Now we're doing it for Andre's truck.
Why gotta turn the camera on?
So something happened.
Okay.
Look at your mirror.
Now the good thing is the new one is already ordered, and it'll be here Tuesday.
I'm going home.
But it's on its way.
You're the best SEMA sponsor ever, buddy. I really appreciate it, man. You're the best friend anybody could ever ask for.
All right, Andre, you're legal now, buddy. You ready to go?
Yeah. Legal.
All right, well, ready to go?
Hi, buddy. My truck.
All right, guys, well, that's it. The truck is on its way. Hopefully it makes it there without a hitch. I'm just hoping. This is the end of the build curse. I'm telling you right now, this is it. We're gonna make it there. No problems, no issues. And yeah, let's hit the road.
You know, it's never good when the hood's up. Dude, where the hell are we? Why are you hiding behind the freaking thing, dude? Where the hell are we? You are way out of the way, dude.
Yeah, man.
You know there's like 14 Home Depots that you passed on the way here? How's your tripping going so far?
Going good, man.
It's going good? Why are we at Home Depot?
Well, you see, what happened was the shroud for the fan is missing, so we're trying to make something to make the radiator get more air because it started heating up on the hills. Shut up. It'll work, dude. It'll work.
Some trucker engineering right
It'll
here?
work, man.
This is how you know Andre's stressing.
Yeah.
Me too. We're only about
Toke.
8 hours late. I warned you, man. This build is cursed, and now you're falling into the curse. Running into issues.
Dude, blow that bad luck, man.
Right here. This is it.
Can't wait to see the comments on this one.
Can't wait to where?
See the comments on this one.
Look at that. One side done.
One side.
Oh, dude, are you okay, buddy? So you guys didn't see this on camera, but Andre washed his hands for like 20 minutes after grabbing one hook to hook the truck up. This boy over here is done
really
everything.
dirty. Hey, he has gloves, man.
Well, you just bought gloves and you're not wearing them?
Yeah. Nah, I need to use my fingers, man.
Oh, yeah.
I need to feel.
Good old American engineering. Zip ties.
Yeah, the hose will hold it up.
Yeah, because there was also some rope on there.
I don't know, Andre. We're gonna have to change the name. Mac Auto Transport Towing Roadside Mechanic.
Jimmy rigging.
You pull it towards you.
Hey, all I know is that this thing overheats and catches fire. Like, how quickly can you get my truck off the back? All right, round two. Yeah, dude, you're actually gonna work? Yeah. All of a sudden, now that we got the right idea,
And
you
he
know?
took his gloves off. Damn.
Dude.
That is very delicate work, man.
All right, third time's the charm. Sounds good. That's what it's like being a trucker, huh?
Yeah. That's why God invented bang.
How many bangs have you drank yet?
I just got one on ice right now for the second
Second leg of the trip?
leg of the trip.
Glad to see you're working hard.
Hey man, I gotta turn on the truck, dude, so we can see.
It's true. Somebody's got to hold the zip ties.
Dude.
We ready, buddy?
Yeah.
Back on the road?
Yes, sir.
All right, what TV channel are you going to be on?
7. Always.
All right, well, the old Home Depot parking lot fix seems to be holding. They were the truck was overheating quite a bit because the radiator or because the fan shroud has been apparently missing. You know, they just got this truck, so they're trying to figure out what it takes to kind of put it into service, and they've been, you know, working on little things here and there. So this will be a good shakedown test for them, you know. So we just pulled over at this old rest station here, fuel station, and check out this huge mass of Tesla chargers. I don't understand why they need this many. You're gonna tell me there's this many people that are gonna show up with Teslas? Every single one of these. That is a lot of Tesla chargers. They got a lot of faith in this being the future right here. Guys, well, we have made it. It's been a crazy, what should have been 4-hour drive turned into an 8-hour drive, and it's just been an insanely long day. It's after midnight. It's almost 1 in the morning. We're just finally showing up to the hotel, so it's crazy. And then Andre with my truck is about 50 miles behind us, so we're still waiting on him, but we're gonna get all of our stuff up into the hotel room and then meet Andre down here. We're trying to make special arrangements to park the truck somewhere where it's not gonna get messed with, because I know in the past Sema trucks have been messed with when they're left in lots. So we'll see. So fun fact, guys, I hate elevators. All right, everybody. Well, here's our sweet home away from home. While we're here at Sema. To me, the most important part of a hotel room is like, what's the bathroom look like, you know? This bathroom actually looks pretty nice. Pretty nice. I think we'll do well in this place. Here we go. Here's the most important part of the bathroom. Oh, nice big room here. I don't know what is that really how you flush the thing with these giant ass freaking handles? This is gonna end up being a good HQ for us. Well, we just got the call. Andre has just arrived, so we're gonna head on down now, meet them somewhere out in the street. I don't know where they're at, but we'll see if we can get the Denali unloaded here, and I think we've worked a deal with the valet guys to keep this bad boy up front so she is safe for the night.
Uh-oh, looks like she made it.
Hard to climb up this freaking thing. I don't know, that guy offered me $4,000 for the truck over there. Might have been a little bit drunk, but it's tough. It's tough to turn down a deal. Uh-oh, Andre's putting on the gloves. That means work's gonna get done.
Nothing to look for anyway.
Start shimmying my way up there now. Well, she made it successfully. I must say, this looks good. The thing I'm happiest about with this truck is not only does it look good in the day, but it also looks good at night. And to me, a lot of trucks lose that amount of, I don't know, that beauty at night. And I think this one definitely has just the right amount of it. You know?
Yes.
Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome,
Best,
man.
What do I got to do to put you guys in a hotel tonight? Casino,
Most expensive one.
drinks, bar. What do you guys want? What do you guys need? Appreciate it. I appreciate it, brother.
All right, now let's see if my valet guy is gonna come through for me and put this thing up at the front. All right, guys, well, that's where she's gonna sit for tonight. I am tired, I am exhausted. It's time to go up to the hotel room and just pass out. Well, as always, guys, thanks for watching. It's been a crazy day. I guess it wouldn't be the BBB build if we didn't run into issues and chaos and craziness, but if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. We push through and we're never gonna give up. So we have finally made it to Vegas. We've made it to Sema. I'm exhausted. I'm done. But hey, we're gonna have a great time here. So if you guys want to check out all the Sema content and you are not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button now. Please give this video a like, aka a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out WORKFORITapparel.com because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. I know I look like shit right now. I'm tired. I'm running on about 3 hours of sleep. So that's it. I'm out. I'm done.
Damn. Yeah.